back to the channel. Nice weather outside, nice day. You see in the background, I've got a few logs collected up to now. Seems like a nice day to go outside for logging. No, hear that squeaking sound? That's the sound of cold. Now it's minus 25 outside with the wind chill. It's minus 40. Minus 40 in Celsius is minus 40 in Fahrenheit. What am I doing outside? I don't know. Hey, I have the furnace inside going to heat up the garage, and I'm going to do some project inside. Let's go inside. Much better inside. By the way, the garage, I don't heat that all week long. I mean, I only heat it when I need it. It's going to raise temperature quite fast with the furnace in the background. So, as you can see, it goes to the freezing point, not more than that. So what's the project today? No. No excavator project today. Up to now you've seen that door in the background either was open or closed. On the other side, this is the woodworking workshop. I haven't done anything yet up to now, but I'm starting to organize my shop, wood shop. Up to now you haven't seen any video of me doing any woodworking project. I should share some picture of a previous project I did to my previous house. I have similar project here on the wife's list, and yes, I do enjoy working wood. So that's another reason for the channel's name, from steel to wood. Wood is not only logging, it's also woodworking. So the project is going to happen on the other side. I show you that. Okay, that's a mess, but I've seen worse. At some point this summer was a real nice mess. You got it. Lights. I had at least the fluorescent tubes here, and I had a third line right in the middle. I did switch to LED lights, which is good because, you know, it's freezing point now. It's 32 Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius. And if I switch the lights up, I'm going to switch this one. So have you seen anything coming up? Oops, we've got some that did go on, and I switch the other one here. LED. Ta-da! Okay, I set the camera to wide angle so you can see this is a very nice light we have inside because of all the windows. Especially in winter, you have the reflection of the sun on the light. The inside dimension are 21 this direction by 31. Only problem is 7 feet. That's not that high. I don't need that much height for woodworking. But one detail, I don't want to bang those lights, especially the fluorescent tubes, which are fragile, and I don't want to, I've seen that before, you don't want to break those fluorescent tubes. So that's why I'm replacing them by LED lights. Also, I had 3 rows of 5 4-feet fixture, and that's not enough. It's not enough because in between the rows you get shadows, and when doing projects in woodworking, whenever you get to the point of staining or varnishing, and you need a lot of light. So I'm going to convert those old fluorescent tubes, and I'm going to discard them actually and replace them by actually 5 rows of 5 fixture. So it's going to be 25 40 watts LED lights. It's going to be 1,000 watts of LED lighting. It's going to be super clear. As you can see, all the wirings are within PVC ducting or pipes. That's nice because each and every single wire is protected. I'm going to do the same. So this is currently what I get. So the PVC tube goes into those boxes and they are all daisy linked. So what I did, I removed the old tubes and fixture, and I put a small outlet, and I have this small connection, and they are capable of being linked together here in between the two. It's just a small connection like so. It's just press in connection. So I have 2 switches. The first one lights the middle, and the second one is going to light the remaining. Now the question is, how is this woodworking shop heated? There's warm air coming from that small grill. And this is the wood furnace on the other side. So I have this ducting coming out to warm this area. And there's this attachment and a small actuator, so I can also track some air going into the other side. Good reason to replace those old fixture. As you can see, that does not look like new. And looking at the quality of the wire, I don't know if you see the same as I see here. Looks like those wire are almost pinched. And this is you know, those old insulation, very old. Canadian Westinghouse Lighting Division, Granby, Quebec. Granby is just next to here. So my wild guess about that is this is from the, let's say, 60s to the best. Why so? There's no French, although this is in a French province, and by law, since a long time ago, you need to advertise the product in French and English, everything. Quick update, most of the day I've gone through. See nice sky, the moon, and it's still very warm. I've used this table saw from my late father-in-law. I've made that support at the bottom. Basically it's a cross brace, and I have this little support here, so it can be riding very close to the concrete or the floor. So it's going to be about the same height as my other table saw, which is there. Whew. That's still a mess. So that would be it for today. I'm going to wrap up the project, clean a little bit the mess. For you to know, this is oh, that's funny, look at that. So you have in French, you have del diode électroluminescente, and in English, natural white, and it's not LED, that's del in French. Anyways, I took them at Canac. So that's Nectra is the home brand of Canac. 50,000 hours of continuous use, 40 watts, 48-inch power cord, because actually those units are smaller than 48 inches. Suitable for damp location, easy to install. Yeah, that's right, this is easy to install. And this is not the cool white, this is a warm white, so this is why I like them. So I've got 25 of them installed, and I've got all that mess to clean and all the covers might be reused for, I don't know, any project. It's not that thick material, but not so bad. I think it can be reused. And those one, I'm wondering if I could use them, cut them in parts and use them as trays to put in the bottom of drawers. Might be. What do you think? Hope you enjoyed this part of the project. I'm going to split that in many parts so it doesn't make long videos. So see you on the next one.